Hey guys, welcome to episode 36 of Portfolio Update. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far. For today, we are currently down 1.64%, $117. Not too bad considering the run-up we had yesterday. Shell is down 1.55% for the day, which is not bad considering the run we had yesterday. Shell did not have the pullback that a lot of people were expecting. They were expecting 10% pullback, maybe a 15, somewhere around there, but it was only a percent pullback, so I'll definitely take that, and it definitely makes sense. We still don't know when the merger date is, and that's going to be another run, and then the merger date itself. My plan for this stock is just to hold on. There's two more catalysts that I see. This current run, I didn't really predict, but it kind of makes sense that a lot of people were also anticipating the merger date, so we could put this under a merger date. We might get a smaller run when the merger date's actually announced because of the run we had the past week. My plan for Shell as of now is to continue holding. If Shell does have a significant pullback, I plan to buy a call or two. I don't know if it'll pull back that much, but if it ends up getting back into low 30s, I'll probably buy a call. But yeah, that's my plan. I'll probably have to sell some SPAQ for that to happen. SPAQ, on the other hand, had a beautiful day. It's up 3.74%, very solid. It hit 14 at one point in the day. It was nice to see my total return almost hit zero. So I was looking at the graph in SPAQ, and Shell had a pretty similar jump around the same time in the morning, but as the day went on, SPAQ actually kept going up while Shell just continued trading sideways. So it's not completely mirroring Shell, and hopefully people are realizing SPAQ has the same potential to run up as Shell did. My plan for SPAQ right now is just to hold and potentially sell depending on if we get that Shell pullback, and if that Shell pullback doesn't affect SPAQ negatively. So if SPAQ hangs out around the $13 mark and I can sell without taking a huge loss, I will consider selling that. And if SPAQ continues on this, I'll probably just hold. I do see SPAQ hitting around 20 before the end of September, but I don't see any reason why it should be there now. So I definitely see it hanging around here, but I don't expect anything to cause it to shoot up near the $20 mark. EROS is currently up 1.1% for the day, which isn't too bad, but I'd expect it to be up 3 to 5%, considering that September is getting nearer and September event should be rallying people, but it seems to not be having that effect. SPAQ's down for the week, down for the month, so who knows, maybe we have to actually get into September and get investor event date for the stock to shoot up, but hopefully that happens around September 18th. If not, this will be a loss, but I'll just hold through because it's a small position, and long term I have faith in EROS, but as of now, a lot of people don't believe in EROS, so that's showing in the stock. But as a company, I do think that it's going to be going places, and I could see this stock easily over $10. But yeah, that's my plan for EROS anyway. IVR is currently down 2.5%. Not what we want, but this is a long-term hold, so hopefully by 2021 and 2022 IVR gets its company, and Corona is over with and everything's working in its favor. But for now, IVR is struggling, and hopefully IVR can figure everything out and people can have faith in IVR once again. So we are at the end of episode 36 of Portfolio Update. Quite an interesting day. At one point, we were down to 6,400, and then in a few minutes we were up to 7,400. So that was interesting to move 1,000 in a matter of minutes. But the rest of the day did calm down a little more. It's always interesting investing in SPAQs. I know there's the only other SPAC most people experienced was Nikola, and Nikola definitely had its big moves, especially the one that occurred on the big merger date, but not really. When it was Nikola, not a lot of people knew what to expect, but with Shell, a few of us have gone through Nikola, so we are kind of anticipating certain things. If we do get merger news this week, which I do expect, considering the merger is going to be happening next month in 5 days or so, I do expect it will be sometime this week, hopefully. I could see portfolio hitting around 8K. Who knows even more if SPAC continues to follow Shell's trend. It would be nice to hit 10K before the end of September, but that's actually very reasonable, because by the end of September, Shell's merger will have gone through, and SPACs will be approaching, and that will be the only other remaining huge EV merger left. But we are at the end, so let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know how this week has been going for you guys. Did you expect to see this pullback? Do you expect the rest of the week to be very favorable for Shell? Let me know down in the comments. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with episode 37. Deuce.